Hey, we found some fiddleheads here, a couple different sizes, some real tiny ones. This one looks real juicy down here. Look at that. Get close to this one. Look at the colors in this one. There's like, it's like red, dude. There's like red, fluorescent green, with like white little furs. Wow, this is incredible looking. What is that? It's just like leaves bunched up?
Yeah, it unravels, it becomes the fern.
Wow. Should I go for small? The small ones are usually the best.
The smaller ones are the best.
There's a little something on there. Clean up. What are these things called?
Fiddleheads.
Fiddleheads.
This is it's basically a young ostrich fern. That's what this is here. Go ahead, man. It's strong. It's strong flavor.
You've already had one.
Yeah.
I like it. I want like a bigger.
Take the one in the middle.
This one? Oh yeah, this one. This is a. Wow. Look how much weird stuff is on that. Like, what is all that? Just scrape it off. It's got some like fiddlehead skin or something. Should you? Yeah, I mean, let us know in the comments section if you should shave off the fiddlehead skin. I'm gonna do it with my nail, just because it looks suspicious.
I know most people cook them because of their strong taste, raw.
I'm gonna do an extra cleaning on these because they just look suspicious. Wow. I like it. It'd probably be awesome cooked too. It's refreshing. Definitely recommend it.
Fiddlehead it is.
Yeah.